Cancer research is advancing at an unprecedented pace. Scientists around the world are making groundbreaking discoveries. These discoveries are leading to new treatments and hope for patients. In 2023 alone, over 1.9 million new cancer cases are expected in the United States. Despite this, there is a growing sense of optimism in the fight against cancer. We have entered a new era of cancer treatment. This era is defined by revolutionary approaches like immunotherapy. It also focuses on personalized medicine and early detection. Immunotherapy in particular is showing remarkable promise in treating certain types of cancer. This new era is not without its challenges. Difficult-to-treat cancers still pose significant obstacles. However, the pace of progress is accelerating. With continued research and collaboration, we are moving closer to a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence but a manageable disease. Immunotherapy represents a paradigm shift in cancer treatment. It harnesses the power of the body's own immune system to fight cancer cells. This is in contrast to traditional treatments like chemotherapy, which can have harsh side effects. One of the most promising forms of immunotherapy is CAR T-cell therapy. CAR T-cell therapy involves extracting a patient's own T-cells, a type of white blood cell, and genetically modifying them. This modification enables the T-cells to recognize and attack cancer cells more effectively. CAR T-cell therapy has shown remarkable success in treating certain blood cancers such as leukemia and lymphoma. Clinical trials are ongoing to evaluate its effectiveness against solid tumors, which are more difficult to treat. The initial results of these trials are encouraging. Researchers are also developing new immunotherapy drugs and combinations of drugs to further enhance the immune system's ability to fight cancer. Targeted therapies are another major advancement in cancer treatment. These innovative treatments have revolutionized the way we approach cancer care, offering new hope to patients. These therapies work by targeting specific molecules or pathways that are essential for cancer cell growth and survival. By focusing on these critical components, targeted therapies can effectively disrupt the cancer's ability to thrive. This is unlike chemotherapy, which affects all rapidly dividing cells, including healthy ones. Chemotherapy can be harsh and cause significant side effects because it doesn't distinguish between cancerous and healthy cells. Targeted therapies are designed to be more precise. They aim to attack only the cancer cells, sparing healthy cells and reducing collateral damage. This reduces damage to healthy cells and minimizes side effects. Patients often experience a better quality of life during treatment compared to traditional chemotherapy. One example of targeted therapy is the use of drugs that block the activity of certain proteins. These proteins play a crucial role in the growth and spread of cancer cells. These proteins are involved in cancer cell growth. By inhibiting their function, targeted therapies can effectively slow down or stop the progression of the disease. These drugs are often used to treat cancers that have specific genetic mutations, such as mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes, which are linked to breast and ovarian cancers. Genetic testing helps identify patients who may benefit from these therapies. Targeted therapies are often used in combination with other treatments, such as chemotherapy or immunotherapy, to enhance their effectiveness. This multifaceted approach can lead to better outcomes for patients. The development of new targeted therapies is an active area of research. Scientists are continually exploring new ways to improve these treatments and expand their use. As scientists learn more about the molecular mechanisms that drive cancer, they are able to develop more targeted and effective treatments. This ongoing research holds promise for the future of cancer care, offering hope for more personalized and successful therapies. Precision oncology is transforming cancer treatment, offering a more personalized approach to battling this complex disease. It uses genetic information and other data to tailor treatment to each individual patient, ensuring that therapies are more effective and have fewer side effects. In the past, cancer treatment was largely based on the location and stage of the tumor, often leading to a one-size-fits-all approach. However, we now know that cancer is a complex disease with many different subtypes, each with its own unique characteristics. These subtypes have different genetic profiles and respond differently to treatment, making a tailored approach essential. Precision oncology takes this complexity into account, aiming to provide the most effective treatment for each patient. It aims to identify the specific genetic mutations and other molecular alterations that are driving an individual's cancer, offering a more targeted approach. This information is then used to select the most effective treatment for that patient, potentially improving outcomes and quality of life. One of the key tools in precision oncology is DNA sequencing, which has revolutionized our understanding of cancer. DNA sequencing allows scientists to identify the specific genetic mutations present in a tumor, providing crucial insights. This information can then be used to guide treatment decisions, ensuring that each patient receives the most appropriate therapy. For example, if a tumor is found to have a mutation that makes it sensitive to a particular drug, that drug can be included in the patient's treatment plan, offering a more precise and effective approach to cancer care. Section 5. Training the immune system, cancer vaccines. Cancer vaccines represent a promising new approach to cancer treatment. Unlike traditional vaccines which prevent infections, cancer vaccines are designed to treat existing cancer. They work by stimulating the immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells. There are two main types of cancer vaccines: therapeutic and preventive. Therapeutic cancer vaccines are given to patients who already have cancer. They are designed to boost the immune system's ability to fight the cancer. Preventive cancer vaccines are given to people who are at high risk of developing cancer. They are designed to prevent the cancer from developing in the first place. Cancer vaccines are still in the early stages of development. However, they have shown promise in clinical trials. Several cancer vaccines have been approved by the FDA for the treatment of certain types of cancer. Section 6. Early detection, a crucial weapon. Early detection is crucial in the fight against cancer. When cancer is detected early, it is often easier to treat and cure. That's why regular cancer screenings are so important. Screenings can detect cancer before symptoms even appear. In addition to screenings, scientists are developing new tests that can detect cancer at its earliest stages. These tests look for specific biomarkers in the blood or other bodily fluids. Biomarkers are molecules that can indicate the presence of cancer. One promising area of research is the development of liquid biopsies. Liquid biopsies are blood tests that can detect cancer cells or DNA fragments from cancer cells that are circulating in the bloodstream. These tests have the potential to revolutionize cancer detection by providing a non-invasive way to screen for and monitor cancer. Section 7. Victories in the fight: improved survival rates. Despite the numerous challenges that we face, there is a growing reason for optimism in the ongoing fight against cancer. Over the past few decades, cancer survival rates have improved dramatically, offering hope to millions of patients and their families. This remarkable progress is due in part to significant advances in cancer treatment, such as the development of immunotherapy, targeted therapies, and precision oncology. It is also due to earlier detection through improved screening methods and better prevention strategies, which play a crucial role in combating the disease. The National Cancer Institute estimates that the overall 5-year survival rate for all cancers combined has increased from 49% in the mid-1970s to 68% in the early 2010s. This means that more people than ever before are surviving cancer, leading to more stories of hope and resilience. While these statistics are indeed encouraging, it is important to remember that cancer is not a single disease, but a collection of related diseases. Survival rates can vary significantly depending on the type of cancer, the stage at diagnosis, and other individual factors. However, the overall trend is clear. We are making significant progress in the fight against cancer, and the future looks promising. Section 8. Tackling the toughest challenges. While we have made remarkable progress in treating some types of cancer, others remain incredibly challenging. Pancreatic cancer, for instance, is one of the deadliest cancers. This is due to its aggressive nature and the lack of effective early detection methods. However, even for these most challenging cancers, there is hope on the horizon. Scientists are exploring new approaches to treatment, including immunotherapy and targeted therapies. New discoveries about the biology of these cancers are paving the way for more effective treatments. Clinical trials are ongoing to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of these new treatments. While these challenges are significant, the dedication of researchers and clinicians worldwide offers hope for the future. Section 9. A global effort for a global challenge. Cancer is a global challenge that requires a global response. International collaboration is essential for advancing cancer research and improving patient care. Scientists and clinicians from around the world are sharing data, expertise, and resources. This collaboration is leading to faster progress in developing new treatments and cures. One example of this global collaboration is the International Cancer Genome Consortium, or ICGC. The ICGC is a collaboration of scientists from over 17 countries who are working together to map the genomes of different types of cancer. This information is being used to develop new diagnostic tools, identify new drug targets, and develop more personalized cancer treatments. The fight against cancer is a marathon, not a sprint. But with continued global collaboration, we are getting closer to the finish line.